Ayan, vending machine. Calculated discount in age 80. If age under, return to 0 discount, and 18 to 24 is return 0.1. Else, if age 25 to 64, return 0.2. And 65 is return 0.3. Ito po ang aking algorithm. Number 1 is soda 1.50, 2 chips 1.00, number 3 chocolate 2.00, water 1.00, and number 5 1.50. And yan po yung price. Yan po, kailangan po natin itong i-run para po makuha natin ang output. Ayan na po, ito po yung lumabas sa output. Enter lang po natin. Lagay lang po natin yung number 1 item. At lagay po natin is 16H. Ayan po. Original price is 1.5. Discount is 0.0 dahil po under. Lagay lang po natin yes. Ito po, lagay po natin item number 2. 18. Ayan po. Ayan po yung 18. Original price is 1.0. Ayan po, may discount na po. 10%. Ay 10.0%. And discounted price is 0.9. Yes. Item number 3 natin po. Lagay po natin is 26. Ayan po. Original price is 2.0. Discount is 20.0%. Discounted price 1.6. Okay. Do you want to purchase again? Yes. Yes lang po natin. And item number 4. Item number 4 po natin is 64. Ito po yung lumabas sa item number 4. And po, original price po is 1.0. And discount is 20.0. Ulit po. At discounted price is 0.8. Yes lang po natin ulit. Item number 5. At lalagay po natin is 65. Ito po yung lumabas, original price is 1.5, discount 30.0%, discounted price 1.05. Ayan po. Kaya po naging 30% po kasi po ano na po siya, 65 years old. Kaya po naging 65. Yun lamang po. Salamat.